Just gonna start here. This is just a rough. It's 13/12. What day is this? I don't even know what day. Come on, wake up. 13/12. Make those people famous. April 20th, Thursday. Okay, great. 2023. I'm playing something I can't play live, so let's just take that out. And doing this in extreme hurry because I got a alarm's going to go off in a couple minutes. Here's my. Let's see here. What is this? You can read that, right? Oxide Nation. I bought this from Dr. Bo way back when. And meanwhile, I'm repairing this. Wait, let's just rotate the camera because it's upside down so you can see it. So, what is it? Here. It's that model. Okay? We just finished repairing it, and we just finished cleaning it, and we just went and got the little tuning screwdriver. Let's throw this in, hit play. Uh-oh, wait. Yeah, it's just started eating it. Well, here, let's... okay. There we go. Okay. Throw that back in. Hit play. Oh, come on now. Well, okay. We didn't even try. I won't do that. Won't do that. Why is this stuck? Oh, golly. Come on now. Okay, it'll play my other tapes. It'll play this tape. I need to set this thing up on a tripod. Well, okay. Maybe because it's sitting up there, which I haven't had it anywhere. Let's put it on a tripod. Just do that. Yeah, there goes the alarm. Got it on work. Yeah, we know. Yeah, we know. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Fine. So, okay. Let's. Can you even see this? Here, let me. There we go. That's close enough. Now, just wait. What happened? Where did? Well, okay. Now, I just had this playing. Let's see here. So, okay. Why is it goofing up on me now? First, it is just. Well, there. That works. That works. That works. This plan. Okay. Alright, so now, back up here, hit play. Well, wait, it is stopped. Okay, it is stopped, so hit play. It will play, alright. Hit stop again. Come on. Well, okay. It was playing in my lap. Alright, so if I take the speakers out, we should just have that there. We set this up here on its buttons. We'll play here. It'll play there and kick over. Okay, great. So will it play a tape? Just setting on the buttons. Well, now it won't. Okay, wait. Well. Oh, come on now. Well, it'll play without a tape, right? It'll fast forward without a tape. It'll do that without a tape. It'll do that without whatever. And kick over, and then if we hit that, no, hit that, and hit stop, alright. So throw this in and hit. Now, I'm not holding it, I'm holding the back. Well, it just won't pull the tape. Okay. Is the tape tight? The tape is not tight. It just won't pull the tape. Okay, let's try this. Well, okay, let's try this. If it won't do that, let's try it reverse. All right, just B side. Okay. So let's try it this way. There we go. Well. Finally. Okay, so you see that? It'll play in reverse, but it won't play forward. I don't know why, but that's where I'm at. And let's see if I can get this to come up here. Okay, so here's the beginning. So now I can do this. I can do this backwards, right? Well, this is my teething. However I go through this and try to figure out these things. Okay, so here is the, what is this? I don't even know what it is. This is this model here. It's a Japanese domestic model. It's a RX FM45, okay? It's got line in. The sound is almost correct. Go to the bottom. The battery terminals are non-existent because they're just rusted away, and I had to drill that out. I had to drill this one out, and I had to drill that one out, the screws, because they were just, the heads were rusted right off. Finally got it open. Let's see if I can see it. Well, yeah, okay, well here's, see there's that one. Use a wrench to get that out, but anyway. So there's that, this, that. See, this is all rusted inside here. It's like, hey, am I going to try and rebuild this? And the screws are all rusted? Wow, okay. So, take a picture, here's it. Finally got it out, so I know how it comes out. Okay, and then there it is like that. This is the, the head wire, and that's the main power wire over there for the deck. I'll take a picture and wait, go back. When was this thing made? So this is 19 August of 85. That's how old the motor is. And then here is a fuzzy picture, but the belts are not all there. So here's another view of how the belts are not all that. Well, anyway, this one's, so then just another picture like that, and without the deck in it. So then here we are with the deck, just to make sure how these levers go and all that. Straight on view. That was an angle view before. Here's a view of where that screw goes. There's two screws on this side of this panel. Again, another clearer picture of that, 1985, okay. And yeah, and then got to be mindful of this thing here. That's your direction for the heads. I'm trying to get a good picture, but anyway. And again, it's well rusted. There's that one screw on that side which doesn't have a, anyway, this one does have, the washer with, and that spring you have to be careful about. Okay, and then just an angled view just because to help with that. And again, these views, make sure you get all these panels lined up correctly when you put it back together, and we're done. So here it is, it's working. What time is it? I got 8 minutes to eat lunch and go back to work. So, anyway, so it plays. It's playing my new demonstration tape. And you can hear it. And anyway, I have to run off to work. You'll see this later, right? So, yeah. So it's 13:23, right? Whatever. That's right. Where's the screwdriver? I just got it out. So, put the screwdriver. Wait, can you see that? Where's the motor? Yeah. So here, let me just come out a bit. There we go. So let's adjust the speed on this because you know that's too slow. Oh, that's going slower. That's too fast. That's too slow. That's about right. I do it by ear. I don't have time for 3 kilohertz testing and all that stuff. But here, let me get my, where's my illegal tape here? Or the one that gets me a copyright issue. That's the Fleetwood Mac tape, right? So, the MAXG, TDK, whatever. So, just throw that in and see if this sounds right. Okay, so, here we go. That. Oh, didn't like that. It's too heavy, I guess. Okay. Try that again. No, it doesn't like that. It'll play it backwards. It won't play it forwards. Okay, well, that's fine. It sounds right. I'm good. I gotta go to work. Gotta put my shirt back on and all that. Alright, so good day. I'll put this in my pocket. I've got a tape with me. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.